how to use Teams loop component feature. To use this feature, you have to open the Teams application itself. And in this chat option, all you have to do is select any of the ongoing conversation. Now, once you're there, you should be able to find this plus icon right next to the text box on the bottom left. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, loop option should be available to you over here. However, this group does not have any members, so this feature is not yet available over here. But if there are participants in this group, you should be able to find that option right over here. Simply tap on that option, then choose a component, such as pick the types of content you want to create, such as a task list, checklist, table, or even a paragraph. Once you do so, enter a title and initial content, then tap the send icon to share it within the chat. And that is how you can use this feature, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.